Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to enforce compliance on S3 buckets using AWS Config. Let's start by navigating to the S3 service. Here you can see I have 8 buckets. Next, let's navigate to the AWS Config service, then click on Settings. Here, click on Edit and make sure the recorder is set to On. When you do, the status will change to Taking Inventory. I've also restricted the resource types to record to S3 bucket and configured a config bucket for the delivery method. Next, click on Rules, then hit Add Rule. Search for S3 and select the S3 bucket encryption enabled rule. This rule checks whether the server-side encryption is enabled on your bucket or not. Click Next, then select AWS S3 bucket as the resource type, then click Next again. Review your rule settings, then hit Add Rule. Go inside your rule, then from the Actions dropdown, select Reevaluate to force evaluate this rule. Give it a few minutes, then refresh the page to see the results. Looks like all 8 buckets are non-compliant. Let's head back to the S3 service and enable server-side encryption for one of our buckets. In the Properties tab, enable default server-side encryption, then come back to the AWS Config console. I'm going to reevaluate this rule again, then refresh the page. As expected, this time the bucket 1 is showing as compliant. Note you can also monitor your compliance status from the config dashboard. Finally, if you wanted to set up automatic remediation, go back to your rule and select Manage Remediation from the Actions dropdown. Here you can set up appropriate remediation action based on your requirement. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.